Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nkonya aka Ndinaija. Ja. That time of the month again. Time for me to set up my budget for November. Yo. November's in a few days and it is in a few days. I cannot believe this. Well, truly I guess I can. It's just so weird. So weird. But the important thing is we're moving, we're going one step at a time. We are making progress, right? We are making progress. Okay. So let's do some chatting while I lay down this washi. And I wanted to ask you guys how everything has gone so far this year. Are you happy with where you are financially? If you're not, the washi's done already. If you're not, what are you doing to try to change that? And if there isn't anything you can do currently, maybe because your plans have not materialized or whatnot, what can you do to change your attitude towards it? Personally, I've decided to speak more positively to myself about money. Yeah. Whoa, that almost went badly. I decided to speak more positively to myself about money. Washi's crooked, but life can be crooked, so ha. And in doing that, I feel like, I just want to hear what other folks have said and done about it, and yeah, just seeing how y'all's life is going. Sometimes you think, oh man, this person's life is so easy, that person's life is so much easier than mine. Meanwhile, it is extremely untrue. You think you see what's, you think you see all these perfect things. Was that the pen I planned on using? I'm not sure. Whoops. Okay. Crisis averted. There really was no crisis. I'm not sure if this is going to be a chatty video or if this is something I'm going to cut off at the end of the day. Or when I say cut off, I mean chop off. But I'll very likely go off camera to write in the bills and the numbers. Actually, no, I will not. I'll do it on here. Is this thing straight? Of course not. Of course not. I've been going in this direction. I'll try and fix it now. Okay. In October, I'd started to write everything in terms of date. From date due and going down. Let's see. Did that work? It pretty much did. Okay. Let's try that again. So we have whether it's auto, the amount, well, due date. This should be the actual amount paid, but I haven't really been using this this column. I don't know if I'm going to change that. Let me... Uh-oh. I feel like the kid is about to burst into my room. Wow, just all the way out there. It's cool. It's cool. That's just life, yo. That's just life. At some point, I need to stop with the accents. Medical insurance. I am praying that this goes down next year. It's due on the 1st. I pay most of the bills on the 1st or 2nd. No, that's incorrect. I pay most of the bills on the 1st, and then the next set, the only thing that's not auto that I pay later is, let's see, Spectrum Internet. That's about it. So medical insurance, his dental insurance, which isn't much. Taekwondo. How much was Taekwondo this month? Let's see. And I should actually write that down. Taekwondo this month turned out to be 160. So not bad. That one is an auto payment, and it comes out also. I've been writing 10 instead of 11. But either way, it's due on the 1st. Okay. We don't have trash this month. Woohoo! Next is mortgage. That's an auto payment. Don't bother about that. That comes out on the 2nd. Home warranty is also... Hold on a second. Why is this $255? So now I'm looking for where that $255 price or amount came from, and I found it, that it was a combination of several bills together, all related to insurance or warranty stuff. And then that's electricity. The bill is dropping a little bit because we're supposed to be cooling off, but I think I want to keep paying that for a couple months to see if I can get 1 month or so ahead. And next is the IRS, because by the time this video is live, Amazon will be over. Yes, Amazon will be paid off, y'all. Paid off. I'm excited and happy. It's such an achievement. Thank you. I'd like to thank the Academy. Thank you. Thank you very much. And more bills. Okay. I'm going to lay down some washi here for my sinking funds. Oh boy. Sorry. I keep getting interrupted. But, you know, it is what it is. After laying down this washi and writing this stuff down, I'm also going to lay down the washi for the variable expenses, and then I'll come back to talking with you all. I usually do my sinking fund videos when I fill my cash envelopes. I hope you guys like those. I like them. Cash money. Okay, put the washi down. Actually, I think you guys might have seen that. I think I forgot to turn off the thing. Okay. It's time to put down the variable expenses here. And I typically do this. Ooh, just noticed the washi is crooked. You know what? You'll live. You will live. You just got to do this quick and get out. First things first, let's see. Oh, I typically do eating out first. Do I? Do I typically do eating out first? Let's see the others. I do. Why? Because E comes before G, but also A comes before... You know what? That's it. We're just going to do it like we normally do. Eating out. And then leave. Eating out. Mid and that. Groceries. And gas. Health. Activities. And a new one this month. A new one this month, which is Black Friday shopping. Yes, I need to budget for my Black Friday shopping and see how much I spend and try and make sure that I stay within budget. There's a little mini Nista that I was going to add here. Old fashioned mini Nista. This is when I try to buy my clothes for the year, if you would call it that. Yeah. Ooh, she fits. Very nice. All right. That one's done. Next would be debts. And I'm looking for something. I'll be right back. Okay, that took long enough. That took long enough. But, like I said, we are out of Amazon. I should do a debt update. Because I have been just writing in my... Well, not my. I've been writing in the credit card amounts here. And I'll see minimum and actual. Yeah. Oh, I forgot. I didn't even... Whew, Lord. I did not put the amounts down for these things at the top. I apologize if this is all jumbled up. I am trying to rush to start my day. I think I need to be waking up earlier. 4:30 needs to work. I need to be getting up at 4:30 because, yeah, this is not it. Part of the reason, though, is that I went to bed later than usual, so I didn't get up on time, which is typically right before 5. But anywho, this will be done. We're doing something different today. Budgeted, eating out. Because it is Thanksgiving, let's see, $2.50. Groceries, I feel like I should get up on the groceries by an extra, let's say an extra $50. Let me see what I did last month. I'm going to put it to $800 instead of $850. Yeah. Gas will be, what happened last month with gas? TJ's away for the Thanksgiving break, and I'm dropping him off twice. No, we're doing 3 of those trips. Let's leave it at $350. Health should be at $50. Activities will be the same. I have the sinking funds for it. And then Black Friday, between clothes for the kid, clothes for me, it should be about, let's say $300. We'll see how, well, I won't update this until the end of the month because Black Friday isn't until the end of the month. So the minimums for this is down right now to $85, and the IRS is still $100, and then we'll see how that goes. I need to put that budgeted review sticker right there. Budget review. Whew, Lord. Budget review. We shall review the budget at middle and the end of the month to see how we did. Let's use a yellow sticker. feel like I need a whole sheet of these. And that's that. This needs to be up here. Boop. Boop. And that's that. Thank you all so much for joining me. Thank you for watching my videos, and I hope I see you around. If you'd like to purchase... Oh dear. I have a visitor, so I do have to go. Bye-bye.